update on this YK we just put in. It's doing really, really well. Factory came out, startup went extremely smooth, no issues. Right now they're fixing the piping installation, so we've got it down. We'll probably end up turning it back on this afternoon sometime, but looks really good. The piping turned out good. Factory was really happy with it. Like I said, we have not had any issues whatsoever. So installation's coming along nicely. I think it turned out to be a pretty good job overall. The next chiller that we're hopefully going to replace is going to be this one, but it'll be sometime down the road. It won't be anytime soon. Hence why they're wanting to get it online now and go ahead and invest the money to get it fixed. So anyway, that's the YK updates. Not a whole lot to really update on. I will try to do a full YK rundown here at some point soon, like I have done on the CVHE and F series. So I'll try to do one for the YK as a whole, all the components and setup, and then I'll try to do another one on the controls, just like I did like I will be doing soon with the Adaptive View control system. Anyway, that's your updates. Stay tuned.